Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So except for. To include, to not include something specific. Yeah, not include something specific. Yes, I know all the answers except for that one. I know all the answers except for that one. That one specifically. Talk to them except for her. Talk to all those people except for her specifically. Yes, we're talking about everything except for that. No way. No way. We'll use all the tools except for that one. Except for that one. Yeah. Sometime soon we will, well, I will write that story. Well, write those stories except for that one. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, I went there except for here. I went to that country. Okay, I have been to every city except for that one. Except for that one. All the rest I've been to except for that one. How cool is that? Yeah. We're writing it now except for that section. Yeah. We'll be writing it today except for that part. Yeah, I should be recording them now except for that one. Yeah. How cool is that? Do you think they will be here except for him? They all should be here soon except for him. Possible. Yeah. Except for me, we will all be there on time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, except for me. Yeah. So, can you use except for in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.